you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be installing our Kinky Bliss Upart. So yesterday I washed my hair. I just had it in 2 braids and I just took them out so that I can do this install. So stay tuned for the final results. I'm going to start off with using my vent brush, and I'm going to brush through my hair to get all of the tangles out. And then I'm going to take my metal rat tail comb and I am going to make a U-shaped part in the center of my head. And I'm cleaning up the other side. It's kind of difficult to do it while filming. Try to get it as straight as possible on camera. I have sectioned off the hair that's going to be left out. I'm just doing this little twist so that I can keep it separate from the rest of the hair that I'm going to actually put into 2 braids so that it won't get in my way. Okay, now I am going to actually section off my edges because I want to leave those out so that the install can look as natural as possible. So I'm going to section them off on each side and separate it from the rest of the hair. Okay, you guys, so don't judge me, but I'm really not going to do a braid down today. This is supposed to be quick because I actually have somewhere I need to be. So I'm going to do 2 braids straight to the back. So I'm going to clip half of the hair in the back out of the way, and then I'm going to start braiding on one side. This is just because, like I said, I have somewhere to go and the hair is kinky, so it's already going to be big. I don't need an elaborate braid out. Okay, so I'm going to braid the other side into another braid. And this is all I'm going to do as far as braiding my hair down. My hair is fully blown out, so it's stretched, so it's not that hard to braid because I've already stretched it out with the blow dryer. Okay, so here I am simply pinning the braids up so that they are not hanging when I put the wig on. Okay, so here is the wig. It has clips on the inside for convenience. You can just clip it down and keep it moving. It has 5 clips, so 2 in the U part, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. And it also has adjustable straps as well. If it's a little big, you can also tighten it with the adjustable straps. So I'm just going to put it on, and I'm going to simply clip it on in the right places so that it's secure. The first style I'm going to do is a side part. So I'm going to part my hair on the side, and I'm making sure that I get the part straight and that I'm also covering the wig so that that is not showing. Alright, so here I am trying to get my edges together. I am using the even edge control. I like the extreme hold with the purple top, and I'm using my edge brush as well. I am also going to use my Kira Care wax stick, and that is just to lay my hairs down that are in the part. I'm also going to rub some of that all over the hair to just lay my hair down because my hair is frizzy. So I am actually going to use that Cure Care to tame the frizz. Okay, so here is the side part look. I love how natural it is looking. Okay, so here I went back to a middle part. We're gonna try something different. So I put my part back in the middle. I sectioned off a little piece of hair, and I'm using my edge control in the part just to make it a little bit slick. And then I'm going to braid. I'm gonna put a braid here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to put another braid here. Okay, so here's the finished results of this style. I really like this one. Okay, so I gave the wig a slight flat iron, and I say slight because I didn't want it bone straight. I just wanted to tame it a little bit more, but I still wanted it to appear kinky. I also, of course, had to lightly flat iron my hair as well. So let's see how much of a difference it makes. Okay, so here's the wig again. I'm going to put it back on. And I had to section my hair back off again so that I can clip it on like I did the first time. Okay, so that is it. This is our Kinky Bliss Upart wig. It will give you a natural look, I promise. Blow your hair out and it will blend effortlessly. I will show you guys, try to show you the back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.